What if I told you that right now, today, there are 10 investment opportunities sitting in plain sight that most people are completely ignoring? Some of these have already made early investors millionaires. Others are about to explode. We're counting down the top 10 stocks, strategies, and market moves you need to know, and trust me, you will not believe what we have at number 1. Let's get into it. The company is the backbone of the entire artificial intelligence revolution. Every major AI model, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Meta's Llama, runs on NVIDIA chips, and the demand is absolutely insane. In 2023 alone, NVIDIA's stock surged over 230%. Its revenue jumped from $7 billion to over $60 billion in just 2 years. CEO Jensen Huang has been called the most important CEO in Silicon Valley right now, and Wall Street agrees. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan have all issued buy ratings. The AI market is projected to hit $1.80 trillion by 2030, and NVIDIA is positioned to capture a massive slice of that. Yes, the stock isn't cheap, but as one analyst put it, you don't buy NVIDIA for what it is. You buy it for what it's about to become. We're just getting started. Number 7 is a dark horse you need to know about. Coming in at number 7, REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. And this one is a game changer for anyone who's ever said, I wish I could invest in real estate, but I don't have the money. REITs let you own a share of income-generating real estate, malls, hospitals, apartments, data centers, without ever buying a single property. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends to shareholders. That means passive income, deposited directly into your account. Realty Income Corporation, ticker O, has paid monthly dividends for over 50 consecutive years. 50 years. Right now, in 2024 and going into 2025, data center REITs are absolutely on fire because of, you guessed it, AI. Companies like Equinix and Digital Realty are seeing massive demand as tech giants race to build infrastructure. The global REIT market is worth over $2.5 trillion. This is old-school real estate money meeting new-school technology demand. It's a beautiful combination. Dividends, growth, stability. What's not to love? But number 6? That one's for the bold investors. Don't go anywhere. For context, the average actively managed fund charges 1% or more. Over 30 years, that fee difference alone can cost you over $200,000 in lost returns on a $100,000 investment. The math is ruthless. John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, who created the first index fund, changed personal finance forever. This is the strategy quietly making millions of ordinary people wealthy. But number two? Oh, number two is going to shake you. And number one? Prepare yourself. Number two, the Magnificent Seven. This is the most talked about group of stocks on Wall Street, and for insanely good reason. We're talking about Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla, the seven tech titans that now account for nearly 30% of the entire S&P 500's weight. In 2023, these seven stocks alone drove over 60% of the S&P 500's total gains. The rest of the 493 companies barely moved. This is market concentration at a historic level, and it's both exciting and sobering. Apple alone generates more revenue than most countries' GDPs. Microsoft's cloud division, Azure, is growing at 28% annually. Meta just announced a $35 billion share buyback, one of the largest in corporate history. Amazon's AWS controls 32% of the global cloud market. These aren't just companies. They are economic empires. Analysts at Bank of America recently said the Magnificent Seven could collectively be worth $20 trillion by 2030. If you don't hold at least one of these, you need to ask yourself why. But everything we've covered, everything, has been leading to number one, the investment opportunity that is changing the rules of wealth creation as we know them. You ready? Here we go. Number one. And this is not hype. This is history happening in real time. Artificial intelligence is being called the greatest technological and financial revolution since the internet. Goldman Sachs projects that AI will add $7 trillion to the global economy over the next decade. $7 trillion, and the wealth transfer is already happening. Nvidia, the picks and shovels play of the AI boom, went from a $300 billion company to a $2.20 trillion company in under 2 years. Microsoft's $13 billion investment in OpenAI is now worth an estimated $80 billion. But here's what most retail investors are missing. It's not just the obvious names. The second-wave AI plays are where the next fortunes will be made. We're talking companies in AI infrastructure, AI semiconductors, AI cybersecurity, AI healthcare diagnostics, and AI-powered robotics. Companies like Palantir, Supermicrocomputer, ARM Holdings, and Vertiv are already up 300% to 900% in the last 12 months, and analysts say the runway is still enormous. The firms who used to build the internet are now building the AI layer on top of it. Every single industry, finance, healthcare, energy, manufacturing, is being disrupted simultaneously. This is not a trend. This is the defining investment opportunity of our lifetime. The investors who understand this now, before mainstream adoption, are the ones who will look back in 10 years and say, that was the moment everything changed. Don't miss your window. And there it is. Artificial intelligence sitting at the undisputed #1 spot, and honestly, is anyone surprised? From dollar cost averaging all the way to the AI revolution, these 10 opportunities are your roadmap to financial freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now. Which of these 10 are you investing in? Like this video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and hit that subscribe button, because we drop market updates and investment breakdowns every single week. Don't miss what's coming next. See you there.